Hi, this is Joe Kucharewski at Jim Glover Dodge in Owasso, Oklahoma. And this is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited. It's white with white leather trim seats with your black roping. Does have your 8.4-inch screen with the Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto. Does have your Harman Kardon premium sound system with power seats, power doors. Does have your rear entertainment system. Does have your front and rear park assist sensors, backup camera, power liftgate, has your panoramic sunroof in the back as well, and does have your power passenger seat as well. This thing has too much to list. If you need any more information on this vehicle, please call Joe at 918-401-4527 or just come to Jim Glover Dodge in Owasso and ask for Joe.